Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is June. Weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Ricky, messages for Aquarius. Four of Wands, the Hangman with the Tower under the deck. I think right now maybe for some you are in separation with this person. You are feeling stuck, but you want reconciliation. For some there will be reconciliation. Yeah, the Tower with Nine of Wands. You guarded up also. So you are feeling stuck. For some you are spiritually awakening. So let's see your reading recent past, the Devil, Six of Wands and Ace of Wands. So you are obsessed with this person. For some, one person in this connection could be popular and you are getting success for your hard work. You're more concentrating on your career, Aquarius, and Ace of Wands. I think you are very passionate about towards your person. Then present Six of Cups, Eight of Wands, and Ace of Swords. So you thinking about your person a lot. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and there is lots of communication is coming. Eight of Wands and with clarity. Maybe in past in this relationship there is no clarity, but now there is clarity is coming and with lots of communication. You both will communicate back and forthly in the month of June. And future Ace of Cups, Six of Swords and King of Wands. So someone is coming to fix the things between you and your person. And Ace of Cups, they want to offer their cup of love to you. For some, you are doing self-love. You are giving priority to yourself because this is Ace of Cups. For some, a brand new person is also coming into your life. And you are taking your control back, totally King of Wands energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Wow, you both thinking about each other a lot, and wow. See, yeah, there are some disturbances, there is some drama, but they do love you and they want passionate new beginnings, brand new beginnings, and they also thinking about you a lot. You both are thinking about each other a lot. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you. Seven of Cups, Five of Cups, and Seven. Knight of Swords. Communication, Four of Swords, and the Chariot under the deck. So right now your person may be undergoing some healing process, doing meditation, but they are thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they're coming back if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take next move and they want to take action to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, right now maybe your person is in some confusion. For some, they have options. So if you are in separation with your person right now, They are suffering in silence. 5 of Cups, they're very, very sad. They're rushing to communicate with you. So they are thinking about how to communicate. They're planning to communicate with you. So let's see their intentions. Wow, this person is very, very passionate towards you and obsessed with you. For some, this person may be toxic for you guys, and this person is in and out of your life. I think there is no stability. Still, they wanna come towards you, they wanna communicate with you, but I am not seeing any stability here. But you both are thinking about each other. Yeah, they want you, but there is no stability, there is no responsibility, what I'm getting here, and they want reconciliation. Yeah, this person is very attracted to you. For some, this person is toxic for you. Yeah, again they're coming back, but I am not seeing any high level commitment here. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn especially. Yeah, they're wishing for this connection, they're wishing you, but there is no high level commitment. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Knight of Cups. Wow, communication, lots of communication is coming, and they have very romantic feelings towards you, and they want to communicate with you. There is lots of communication is coming. Yes, you both will communicate back and forthly. You want commitment, you want marriage. Yeah, communication. So 3 of Swords, you are heartbroken because in past they treated you as an option. Maybe they are in and out of your life, they are not available to you emotionally when you need them, but now they are again coming back to you, Aquarius. But you want marriage, you want commitment. Less than this you don't want anything. Yes, because you were go through a lot. Yes, they treated you as an option, they ignored you. See, and their behavior causes this type of energy, depression, anxiety. So let's see mutual. Eight of Pentacles, Strength, and 3 of Wands. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. So definitely for some, there is a potential in this connection. For some, it depends because you are taking your control back, Aquarius. It's totally up to you to accept or reject, but they are coming back to work on this relationship because 8 of Pentacles is here. So it's totally depending upon you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Second chance. I realized my mistake. Religious factors. I need some space now. Friendship and lot of abundance is coming. For some, they are putting you in friendship zone. For some, religious factors may be affecting your love life. So second chance, I realized my mistake. Religious factors, friendship, I need some space now, and lot of abundance is coming. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Aquarius. Don't let your past hold you back. So if you're thinking about your past, if you still digging, then this is the message for you. Don't let your past hold you back. Just do meditation, heal yourself completely, and move on. And believe in the impossible, blue moon. So if you want to achieve anything but you not believing it, so this is the message. In any case, you have to believe in the impossible. So this is the message for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.